Want to streamline your document signing process by using your handwritten signature stored in Dropbox? Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have a clear image of your signature saved in your Dropbox account. It should be a PNG or JPG file with a white background for the best results. Now, log into your Docusign account and open the document you need to sign. Click on the designated signature field. A window will pop up asking you to adopt a signature. Instead of drawing or typing your signature, look for the option to upload. Click on it. Here's the key. Docusign allows you to import from various sources. Choose the Dropbox option. You might need to authorize Docusign to access your Dropbox account the first time you do this. Dropbox will open. Navigate to the folder where your signature image is saved and select the file. Docusign will import the image. You can resize and reposition it within the signature field until it looks perfect. Once you're satisfied, click Adopt and Sign. And that's it. You've successfully used your Dropbox signature in Docusign. This quick tip saves you time and keeps your signature consistent across all your documents. Subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.